A well-crafted diagram makes complex processes and workflows so much easier to understand, especially when you use a common language to illustrate all of the steps. Which is why we've been expanding the library of standardized shapes in our whiteboards. Here, I'm creating a diagram to show a customer escalation process. Now, I actually used our AI assistant to generate the initial diagram to give me a nice jump start, but I do want to make a few updates to bring even more clarity. I'm going to update this create an escalation ticket step to use the new document shape. Engineering has a whole subroutine for troubleshooting and logging issues, so let's make that visually clearer to understand. And then the preparation shape is ideal for this step to draft the customer communication. You can see just how quick and easy it is to use AHA whiteboards to diagram anything. So go ahead, give it a try, and then share your whiteboard with the team to get aligned.